Hello, I'm Dr. Qureshi, and here we are with Q&A with Dr. Q. I saw lumps on my dog. What should I do? The lumps and bumps are very common in dogs and cats or any other species of animal. If the pet is younger, the consequences are a little bit more different than when the pets start to get older. So, you shouldn't panic. I think the best thing to do is, whether the lump is small or larger, you should have your vet check those lumps. So the goal of this conversation is that you should not take it lightly when you notice a lump or a bump. As a veterinarian perspective, when you go to a vet, what you need to do is, sometimes they recommend testing them. So they stick a little needle into the lump, take aspiration, or then they send it away to the lab and have it tested and see what type of lump it is. But I do suggest that sometimes the results are inconclusive. You don't find an answer for it. What I find over the years is that if a pet owner finds a lump on their pet and they're concerned about it, and the dog's gonna lick and chew at it, I think the best thing to do is, rather than going that route of fine needle aspiration or sending it away and having it diagnosed, the best thing to do is have that lump removed, either by the local anesthetic or under general anesthetic, and then the vet will save that lump in a jar and send it away to the lab for the full analysis. So that way you're solving two things. You're not only having the lump removed, which bothering you and bothering your pet, but also you're bypassing some of the extra cost and the middle step people take by sticking a needle in and then coming back and say, oh yeah, your pet has a tumor or a benign lump, it should be removed. So then you have to pay for the anesthetic and removal again. So it can be controversial, but between vets, what step they should take. But in my opinion, most practical way to deal with it is ask your veterinarian to have it removed, so you will have a peace of mind and the lump is out of there. So what kind of lumps pet can get? It could be simple as a benign lump. Benign means non-cancerous, or it could be cancerous lumps. So benign lumps can be a fatty lump, which is very common in large breed dogs, especially Goldens and Labs. Or it could be a cyst. It could be a skin tag, could be a wart. Those are your benign lumps. But you don't know by looking at it. They need to be tested, they need to be biopsied, and they need to be removed. And the other type of lumps are cancerous lumps. They could be a mast cell tumor, they could be a skin cancer. So don't take it lightly, whether the pet is younger or older. I find certain breeds of dogs, at very young age, as young as 2 years, 3 years of age, they can get cancerous lumps. So don't take it lightly. Consult your veterinarian, have them looked at it, have them taken care of. Thank you.